este camino en el que cada paso que damos está lleno de momentos confusos que despiertan dentro de nosotros diferentes sensaciones y diferentes emociones. No sé ustedes, pero a mí me gusta imaginar que cada uno de esos momentos está acompañado por una canción, como en las películas. Acentúan los momentos felices y nos ayudan a sobrellevar los momentos más difíciles. Entonces, el soundtrack de mi vida sonaría más o menos así.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon.
I don't wanna know. Let me just stop trying. Let me just stop fighting. I don't want your good advice or reasons why I'm alright. You don't know what it's like. You don't know.
All my life, been running from her pain in me, a feeling I don't understand, it's holding me down. So rain on.
Can you leave me here alone now? I don't wanna hear you say that you know me, that I should be always doing what you say. 'Cause I'm trying to get through today. And there's one thing I know, I don't wanna think about you or think about me.
Came from this city.